Morning. I know I didn't finish my vlog yesterday, but it was like one of those weird days. The weather changed and it was looking like this. I want to show you my little, oh, look at this, they are growing. Oh, I'm not sure which one are these. I need to put a little more of water, I think. I need to do it. They're peas, yes. And these are the onions. That one actually I think is sunflower. I will put a little more of water and let them live alone. Yes, where is my water? Here. This one. Just a little. I don't want to be way too bad. And let's cover again so they keep warm. I think the sun yesterday, because we have sun, helped them a little, but sadly we go back to the northwest weather. How is going with my knitting? Let's see. I finished the back side, and now I'm doing, oops, I almost made a beginning the front part. So we'll see how far we go. I couldn't do too much yesterday because I was painting and everything, and I couldn't finish with the painting. These are the curtains that I have. I bought long time ago. Supposed to be for the kitchen, but they are no so good. They are very light. You can see everything. So that's the reason I will use there. So the light is still coming, but and the material is really bad. So very cheap ones. So I will take care and I will put one of those there. I have two of those. I couldn't do anything here because I don't have the right color of thread. My threads are or too white or too yellow, so I will look for some kind of beige color. I will try to go today. A friend called me and told me that she wanted to go to CGR fabrics, and I'm like, okay, I'm game. That means I'm going to get more fabrics. And oh, here is my planner. Let's go here. The light is better. And I got a lot of things done. I didn't put the curtains because I didn't have nails. So here, shoulder gun. Let me mark this. And okay, so my early planner I did already. I did last night. I have to do the daily planner I did. I finished the shoulder and begin the front. This part I couldn't do because the thread, I don't have the thread. House, I haven't finished the cleaning. It will continue, and this, since it's the next page, when I'm planning the next day, that will be in a few minutes, what I can do is like everything that I have here I will not pass here, but I will put here what else I will need. Makes sense? Yes, I got stuck. Like I was watching a wonderful series. It was nice, at least 3 first chapters, and then I didn't do anymore. My water, I will say that I did until, let me see, oh, until here. So I didn't complete all my water. This is what is left from yesterday. I'm really bad, really bad. But right now it's breakfast and no water. Hi, you're stretching, you're sleeping. So I will plan my day and I will show you what plans I have. Okay, here we go. So I got my plans for today, and like I said, it will be part of the previous day too, so I can take what I didn't finish and also use here. This is my list of things that I need to buy. I finally went to Amazon since I'm going to Joann's and maybe Michael's, so I have to check. Oh, I have to put the yarn that I need. Do I need or not? Maybe I need to just buy it to be okay. More important things: water this time, me time, face, hair and feet mask, and I will do my nails that are getting no so cute. And then I have 30 minutes of workout. That's something that I will do, maybe dancing later at night. This is the last day that I can stay until late, so then I have this day and go back to work, and I need to do all the planning of these. So far this is what is going on. These are stickers that I need to cut because I cannot get stickers in any company or nothing about the little magazines that I create, like a sewing one. For quilts, my classes for quilt will begin in May. We are going back on class. Sewing, knitting and computer cleaning that I use not so often because it's when I need to do, but I need to have more. I finish all of those. So that's how it's going and beginning my day. Well, I'm watching the Bakery Birds. It's one of my favorite shows about knitting. While I'm doing my knitting, it's a progress there. I think I will need to also buy one more of these, since I don't have a lot of the green and the mixed color. I am planning something different, so I'm working also on my project planner. I think I showed you this many times. It's a old happy planner where I have, this is the other project that I'm working, where I keep my projects as I go working, and I think I have a video that I can link to you with all these projects. Anyway, so what I'm doing is trying to keep control of all the stitches and everything that I'm doing, because I'm using two patterns, this and this, to get the shape of my sweater. Since it's not open, I have to figure out very well this part. That's the reason it's to be continued, but all this part will be exactly the same than this, and then from here is where we will have some change. I have to figure it out. That here I have also the picture of the previous one, as you can see, that I will keep, and here is the samples of the yarns that when I finish to writing and everything I will put in the back side with maybe this one, because I don't have the paper of the other ones. And that's the way that I work this planner. As you see, I have samples and everything that I need to have to remember. In this one I made like samples of the just knitting, but I have so few yarn that I don't want to do that this time. So let's keep working on this project. soft. It's good. This is super soft. Way too soft. I love it. And this one are soft, but not so much. What about this one? Oh, this is soft too. At least I will remember what I like. And I used to have this. It's good. Just arriving from my shoppings, and I will show you very quick what I got from Joann's. I got this for the pants that I want to make. It's a very easy sew, so I didn't want to go first with the complicated ones since I'm a beginner. And for these pants I got these beautiful well, this will be for the PJs. This one will be for the other fabric that I have, but this is so cute. I love the color. So I got 2 yarns and a half because that's what kind of asks here. So we will see. Next one is this. I think it's cute. It has like hearts and little, I don't know how to call it, but it's with little hearts. I don't know if you can see the design. It's a yarn and a half for a shirt, and this was $9, almost $10. This was, let me check. Oh, I don't know where I put that. Anyway, but they were on sale for 40% off. And then I got this one. Look at this one. It's so cute. It's very delicate. It has some flowers and green. Also a yard and a half. I hope it's enough. And then, of course, I couldn't do all of my sewing because I didn't have threads. And they were giving buy 3 get 3 free. So here it is. For this one I got this one. For this one and another one that I have this. For this one I got this. This is for another of my green, a black, because always good, and this will be for the one that I will be working. It's a very light beige, so I think it was a good deal for me. Then we went to Michael's. Let me show you. Let's go a little farther. I went and got one more of these that I need for the knitting that I'm doing because I didn't have enough. And I saw that this one that is on sale. Look at this. It's not a cute color. It has some little sparkles there. Oh, it's so cute. This is flex yarn. Is limited time only, so the price is $9.99, but you buy 2 and get 1 free, and that's what I did. I got 6 of them to make a nice sweater. So since I didn't know how much really I will need, and 6 is usually what I need for my sweaters and everything, so I bought all this. It's limit time only, and I don't want to mess up on that. So here it is. And I bought some of the recollection sticker books. This is a spring and summer, Heels and Hustle, Falls, Winter, and Friends and Wine. So this is all that I got. My bucket of yarns and this. I will do like an opening of all of these and showing how they look in another video, because this will be kind of like too much for kind of blog video. So okay, I better go and change and put my PJs now. I want to relax. Well, before I finish this blog plan as we go, I wanted to share that a lot of things were not done in this day, and more than anything because I spend a lot of times on Joann's and then Michael's, then I have dinner, and now I'm planning to just relax. This I will leave for tomorrow because I want to do it early, and since it took so much time, all the other stuff, I think better for later. So tomorrow is my last day of vacation, sadly, but it's the first day of spring, so I think I will enjoy the few things. So to close this vlog, let me fix this here. Oops, there. This was the 2 days of Plan As We Go, and I hope it was at least fun to watch. I know, and I don't know, I just wanted to show Hoist that I do these kind of things. And also I wanted to let you know that that you have to complete every task like it happened in these 2 days that I couldn't complete. Some of these tasks will be moved to my next day, but at least I go kind of planning in base of what I see I can do and what I cannot do. Now I'm a little tired. I've been knitting and watching videos, and I will put a nice movie and just relax and try to go to bed before 9. That would be great, because yeah, I have to go back to work Monday I work at 7, so I better get used to my schedule again, sadly. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it's not so boring, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.